Hi, how is the day? So, do you know some of the construction project engineers are successful in their career and some didn't? Let me tell you why. For this, let's understand the career path of a construction engineer first. Once a engineer gets out of the college, he was offered a profile of construction engineer, site engineer, or similar profiles or designations in a company. Once they started gaining knowledge, they are promoted to a higher position like lead construction engineer, senior construction engineer, more construction coordinator. With further growth, they are given as construction project manager, and at the top level they are considered as project directors, where they lead a bigger project or a higher value project or multiple projects in a company. Now let's understand why engineers didn't succeed. People, when come to a position with a decision, they know how to follow the path. But in Indian construction industries, most of the engineers come to construction field by chance or accidentally. That means they are not sure why they joined the construction field. But since you have already joined, you don't need to rethink why I joined. Now you have to think how I will grow. So now you will see how we can grow. In any field, if you want to grow, you have to attract attention. So let's understand how we can attract the attention of our employer. There are three ingredients to attract. One, your qualification. Second, continuous professional development. Third, testimonials of successful projects. The first one, qualification, you already have the basic qualification. You can always add new qualification to it which is relevant to your position or profile. Continuous professional development you can have through the training and workshop from different professional bodies, but the one makes you stand out of the crowd is your testimonial of successful projects. When you are talking about successful projects, let's define the project success. A project is considered to be successful if it is completed on time, within budget, and the client is happy with the end products. So the key contributing factor, we have to understand how a project will be successful. In other way, the key contributing factor why the construction projects did not success is poor planning. So, to be successful in your career or to be grow in your career as a construction engineer, you must understand and learn how to plan your project to success. I'm sure all of you want to be successful in your career. So let's connect to learn how to plan your project to be a successful project. My contact details are in the description box below. Please connect with me. Thank you.